Hello Smart Sellers. Welcome back to Smart Sale New Zealand, your go-to channel for real estate tips and tricks. Today we're diving into the top tips for downsizing your home in Auckland City. Whether you're an empty nester or simply looking to simplify, these tips will help maximize your return. Tip number 1. Decluttering. A clutter-free home looks more spacious and appealing to potential buyers. Start by sorting stuff into piles, donating, keeping, and discard. Focus on one room at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Tip number 2. Staging. Staging your home can significantly increase its appeal. Focus on key areas like the living room, kitchen, and master bedroom. Simple touches like fresh flowers, clean linens, and a neutral decor can make a big difference. Tip number 3. Timing the market. Timing is critical in real estate. In Auckland City, the market tends to peak in the spring and autumn. However, consulting with a local expert to pinpoint the best time for your specific situation also makes sense. Tip number 4. Finding the right real estate agent can make or break your sale. Look for someone with local market knowledge, a strong track record, and excellent communication skills. Don't hesitate to ask for references. Remember, downsizing doesn't have to be daunting. With these tips, you're well on your way to a successful sale. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and reach out with any questions. My details are down below. Happy selling.